Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Atwater local and long-distance movers near me. Our qualified movers understand how to ensure your long-distance move will not consist of all the stress. We'll help you move to the next state over or all the way across the country. The right moving services help make all the difference, and our experts provide just what you need for your upcoming move. Along with the basic long-distance moving services, we also offer each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials always on time, and transparent pricing. It may not be easy to rationalize the cost of hiring a California moving company. A deeper look at the advantages you get from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a wise option. You will certainly save time with your local relocation when you work with a moving company. Movers may also make sure you don't have to worry about injury since you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Our skilled movers provide efficiency with every single move. Moving day gets much easier with 3 Movers since we improve your whole entire move. A move that might take you all weekend to execute, we can take care of in a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Atwater moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.